Another one of them big old silver bass. We got another one, boys. Oh yeah. All right, guys, welcome to day 3. It's early. We've just eaten. Jason made some breakfast burritos. We've got some coffee. We're getting the truck loaded up. We're gonna run over to the boat and get to fishing. It's supposed to be warmer today. I think it's supposed to be like a high of 94. So it's gonna be like the same schedule as yesterday. We'll fish and then come back in over lunch and then probably go out in the evening again. Hopefully we have some luck like we did yesterday. We caught that catfish late in the day, which was nice. Too bad we couldn't find a solid bite like that all day long on stuff like that, but we're gonna try something different. I think this morning we're gonna run up to where like the inlet of the lake is, and you can't actually make it all the way to the inlet, but you can get pretty close, and who knows what we're gonna do after that. If we don't have any luck there, then we can go down, maybe take the boat out, and then we'll run over to the top side of the inlet, but we'll see. So we're gonna get everything loaded up and then we're gonna head out on the boat and get to fishing. So stay tuned, guys.
Getting the shit out of me, son.
Am I? Was I nailing you in the face? Hopefully I got that on video. My bad.
That's payback for me almost hooking you yesterday.
Yeah.
I'll get the minnows and ice and meet you guys down there.
All right.
Bag out there? It's in there, in that tote over on
Back on. Oop, I almost walked down the wrong dock. Dirt, 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 dirt. Oh shit. I feel like you're gonna fall through some of these boards here. Day number 3. Will it be any better? That's a cool little smoker craft boat. And we got the old one down there. All right, we're waiting on Steve. He's running to grab some minnows, and I think he's gonna get some more ice. Now we're gonna get headed out of here. All right, guys, we're off. Got some fish. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Hopefully.
Targeting drum.
Yeah, we'll try to get drum today, so we catch everything else but those. That's how it works, right? Camera running.
I just dropped it in a foot.
That's, well, drum number 1. We literally just stopped at the spot, guys. So we're back on that bite. I tried on one of these dudes on my bait caster. We're gonna toss that around a little bit. Just, I've had this thing in my box forever. I might as well try it. And then I'm gonna throw a minnow on my other rod. Let it just kind of roll on the bottom.
I had only dropped it about halfway to the bottom and it
Came and hammered on it.
all right. Way to start the day.
Yep, you just jinxed us for the rest of the day. Yep. Should have did like first one to catch a drum has to jump in the lake.
Yeah.
You still can.
You know what it means, Jason.
Get out of the boat.
Shot out.
You gotta do a shot and jump off the boat.
Yeah.
Shot.
Shot, I ain't jumping off the boat.
We're just running this guy like that. A little split shot. That's it. We're gonna let this drag on the bottom. Jason's on. Drumfish. Another drumfish.
Drum.
That's all we can catch, guys. Day number 3. 2 drums in.
All right, who's drinking the shot for this?
You are. That's your shot. Yeah, you earned it.
Said the first one and the second.
You didn't take your first
today.
shot.
You catch 10 fish, you're drinking 10 shots. Isn't that right, Mike?
Yeah.
Here, I'll put it by yours.
All right.
Drumfish.
All right. All right, Steve's on.
Need that or good?
Let's hope it's something other than a dirty drum. Come on, Steve. You got this.
Guess what?
Dirty old drum. Well, that's back in the water. We can't catch anything but drum, guys. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't even know what to say at this point. Oh, yeah. Chalk it up to the game. It's crazy. I've never caught so many drum in my life. I've never seen that many drum, before. Shit. All right, guys. We're headed back into the dock. We're gonna go eat some lunch and head out a little earlier this afternoon or evening and see if we can catch anything later. So, I don't know. We're gonna see what we can eat here. I don't even know what to say. All we're catching is drum. It's ridiculous. Yeah. We're gonna start doing guided tours for drum. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna go eat. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Jason's gonna grill us up some dogs here for lunch. I got my grill out so we don't have to try to dick around with the charcoal over here. Moss is drinking a little peanut butter whiskey. And we're hanging out. We're gonna eat our lunch. We got some kids over here jumping in the water. We're having a good time around here, guys. So we're gonna eat some lunch and then we're gonna probably head out on the lake again later and see if we can catch something better. So
Well, when we get out there, we might jump in the lake.
I'm down for that too.
We brought the Quady.
I'm gonna put a life. I can't swim. I can't swim. Give me a life jacket. I'll float around out there.
all right, guys, we got the weenies done. We're gonna open these Lays up. We're gonna try these. These are a new Lays tater chip street tacos, carnitas street tacos. They look pretty good. I guess give us your initial taste test.
Tastes like a taco.
Comparable to what? What does it taste like?
I don't even know.
I don't know what that flavor is.
It's different.
Tastes like the pulled beef he made. It's not bad.
It's not great.
It's not bad, yeah. It's not amazing by any means. All right, I'm gonna shove one of these weenies in my mouth. Get some bun here. Round 7. That might actually make the video. It's better than all the drum fish we're catching, right, guys?
Very true.
As you guys know, I cook a lot of weenies on the channel. You can't go wrong with weenies. All right, we're gonna finish eating, figure out what we're gonna do with our lives. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys, made it back out on the lake. I don't think we're probably gonna do much fishing right now. I think we're about to jump in, cool off a little bit, have a beer. So,
Sounds good.
yeah, let's get after it.
I don't know if you can see your crazy Quady over there. How do you zoom this?
I can't even see the button.
God damn it.
Crazy Quady. It's way too soft to walk on. If I stand up, I sink like a foot into the sand.
I seen that.
I'm trying to get my shoes out without losing them. Look at that.
Jesus. Yeah, it's fucking nasty over here.
It's super soft. There's catfish poop in my mouth. Great swim in here.
my mouth. That's way softer than you would expect.
So she said.
Holy crap. Look at Steve right there. Gotta be the way you make it.
Live action.
Oh! Oh!
This is attempt 37.
Wet t-shirt contest. I look like a wet raccoon. All right, guys, we just went swimming. As you can see, I just crawled my fat gut back up into the boat, and we're gonna head back to the ramp, I guess. I don't think we're gonna do any fishing. We're gonna go, we've gave up on this massive drum bite that we've had. We're gonna head back in, and I think we're gonna grill some steaks up. We're gonna load the boat. We're not gonna put it in the morning, so I'll see you guys when we get back to camp.
On the lake for jet skiers. Nope.
We had a good time swimming. We just figured all we were catching was drums, so there was really no reason to really try to catch anything else. It wasn't worth our time, so we are gonna go ahead and pull this boat out, and I think we're gonna run back to camp, and I got a couple steaks I'm gonna try to cook up for these guys. Maybe. Don't have really any seasonings, but it's all right. You good?
Yep.
Boat's loaded up. Let's see what we're gonna do here.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. All right, guys, time to cook up some dinner. I'm gonna get these steaks rolling. Is Moss in here passed out? Oh, what's up, baby girl? Where are these steaks at? Right here. Grill some meats. All right, we're gonna get these meats grilled up, hopefully. Get my grill turned on here. So these are Delmonico steaks, which means they're supposed to be thicker cut. I don't know. I don't see any difference with them, but we're gonna go ahead and get these guys thrown on the grill here. Yeah, these are a little thicker than what I'm used to. Yeah, well, I mean, that's pretty thick. That's pretty thick. Yeah, no shit. All right, we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna go rinse my hands off, get rid of this bag. So let these guys sit for a minute. Run over here.
That's a caveman. Grab your girl. Grab your Dave. Throw him in the corner.
All right, guys, we're eating our steak here. I got mine here. I'm shoving that down. These guys have already smashed all their steaks. Moss is getting a fire going. We're gonna hang out for a while. We're talking to our neighbors here. They're actually from the same area of town that we are from, or same area of Nebraska, and they've got all these campgrounds over here booked. They're down here, they're partying, so we might hang out with them a little bit later. But Moss is gonna get this fire rolling. I'm gonna finish the steak, and then we're gonna hang out for a bit. So I'll get back to you guys later.
Okay.
It's a blazing. Thank God we got this going. Cold out here.
Right. It's like 92 degrees outside. Let's get this fire roaring, right, boys? You don't want to look like that on video?
Pull it up a little bit.
All right, guys. It's Sunday morning. We're just packing up and getting out of here. They got the boat all loaded up, got the cover on. Jason's gonna ride with me. I gotta take him home, so we're getting my truck packed up. But that's gonna be it for the trip. We didn't catch a ton of fish. We caught some drum, we caught some catfish, we caught one crappie. I mean, overall, we had a good time. So I'm not too mad about it. I don't know.
Nope,
We
it was
just,
a good time.
yeah, we just were here at the wrong week, I think. So it is what it is. But we're gonna get after it. We gotta get home. It's about a 3-hour drive for both of us, for all of us here. So we're getting loaded up, and we're gonna get out of here so we can recover a little bit. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video series. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.